Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this. I was at the local market and found some neat snacks to try on this downtime. So this here is Yaitera, and I have no idea what it is. It's Japanese. And check that out, guys. Let's open this up and do a quick taste test. If you guys know what it is, let me know. Alright guys, so here is the Yaitera. I got this snack at the market, as I mentioned. So I opened it up. It is basically your squid jerky. So if you're Asian, you'll know what I mean by that. But squid jerky it's been used forever, but that's what basically what it smells like. Dude, take taste this. Yeah, it tastes like cuttlefish jerky. That's pretty much what it is. Taste-wise, it's got a subtle hint of sweetness to it, and a lot of squid flavor, and it's a little bit of spice to it. Not bad. Definitely check it out, guys, if you're into like jerky type and you've never tried this. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.